Welcome to Marvels of SchoolAdmin Community Edition. In this video, I am going to show how to take a data backup of OR file and data folder in our SchoolAdmin software and how to reinstall the licensed SchoolAdmin Community Edition. Firstly, we will understand that why data backup is important. The data backup is important because they protect against the data loss. Data backup is one of the most crucial infrastructure components in any firm. Backup allows you to restore deleted files or recover files that have mistakenly overwritten. Before taking a data backup, I will show some field data in our SchoolAdmin Community Edition software. By logging in into the software, by adding the username and password, click on Login. After logging in, the software page will be opened. Here, firstly, we will see the student details. Go to the student information module, click on the students to see the student details. Here, now select the class, section and then click on the find. Here you can see in the student master table the students of 8th standard A section. Here you can see in the student master table. You can see for the another class also by selecting the class, section, then click on find. Here you can see of 9th standard A section students in the student master table. Now we will see the students in the student report module. Here, by clicking on student report module, go to the student reports. Here, select the class, section and then click on preview. By clicking on preview, here you can see the student details. If you want to see a student details in PDF, click on the PDF. By clicking on PDF, you can see the student details in the PDF. Next, we will see the students' fee payment details. For that, go to the Admin Master module. Click on the fee payment details. By clicking on fee payment detail, the fee payment detail page will be open. Here, select the student class, section and then click on find. After clicking on find, you can see the students' fee payment details of that particular class section in the fee payment details master table. We will now see the fee due details. For that, go to the fee due details menu, click on that. Here, select the fee group type and the fee group name and then select the class, section and then click on find. Here in the fee due details master table, you can see the fee due details of the class 8th standard A section students. Now I am going to show how to secure these data. For that, firstly you have to stop the SchoolAdmin server and MySQL server before taking a backup of OR file data folder from the software. To stop the server, we have two methods: by using command prompt or by using a services. Firstly, I am going to show how to stop the server by using command prompt. For that, search for the command prompt and open the command prompt as in administrator mode. To stop the SchoolAdmin server, use the command as scstop tomcat6. Then click on enter. And to stop the MySQL server, use the command prompt as sc stop MySQL. After clicking on enter, the MySQL server will be stopped. And to start the SchoolAdmin server, use the command as sc start Tomcat 6. Click on enter. And to start the MySQL server, use the command as sc start MySQL. Click on enter. Now the SchoolAdmin server and the MySQL server will be started. And another way to stop the server is open the run dialog box and search for services.msc, then click on OK. Here search for the SchoolAdmin server, double click on that. Here click on the stop button to stop the service. Then click on OK. Now I will stop the MySQL server from the services. For that, search for the MySQL server and stop the service, which I am going to show now. Then click on OK. After successfully stopping the server from the services, we should go to the software folder. In the SchoolAdmin server itself, search the path for the SchoolAdmin software folder. Double click on that. Here you can see the path of the SchoolAdmin software folder. Here in the software folder, go to the C drive and go to the program file x86 and search for the SchoolAdmin. Click on that and follow the path. Now I am going to show how to take a backup of both WAR file and extracted WAR file from the software. For that, you have to copy the both WAR file and extracted WAR file, which I am going to show now. Go to the software folder. Here, copy the both WAR file and the extracted WAR file. And paste it into your system safely by creating one new folder. Paste it there, which I am going to show now. Here in the D drive, I am creating one new folder. Here I have created a new folder as a backup folder. Go to that folder and paste the WAR file and extracted WAR file here. can see that I have pasted the both files, both the WAR file and the extracted WAR file. And now I am going to show how to take a database backup of the data folder. For that, go to the software folder. Here in the program file x86, search for the SchoolAdmin folder. Click on the SchoolAdmin. Here you can see the data folder which we have to take a backup. For that, you have to copy the data folder and paste it into the another drive safely. I am pasting the data folder where we have pasted the WAR file and the extracted WAR files. Here in the D drive in the backup folder, I am pasting the data folder. Here you can see that I have pasted data folder. Now you can reinstall the software by uninstalling the already installed software. For that, go to the software folder, click on the program file x86, search for the SchoolAdmin, click on that. Here, by clicking on uninstall, the software will be uninstalled successfully. Then click on OK. The software is uninstalled successfully. After uninstalling, delete all the related files. Here, delete the SchoolAdmin folder. Now you can reinstall the software by using the setup file. This is Marvels of SchoolAdmin setup file. Double click on the setup file. And follow the instructions to install the software. And set the location where you want to install the software. Next, here choose the fresh installation and click on install. Once the school admin is installed successfully, the software is opened automatically. Here you can see that there is no data, like there is no school name, address, and by adding the username and password, click on the login. Here you can see that there is no student details. You can see in the student information module, click on the students menu. You can see that there is no class section and there are no students, and there is no fee groups. Now I will show how to restore the database. Firstly, now I am going to show how to deploy the WAR file and the extracted WAR file and the data folder into the software folder, which we have already taken the backup of the WAR file, extracted WAR file and the data folder in the D drive, which we have seen previously. Before deploying the WAR file or the data folder, you have to stop the school admin server and the MySQL server. For that, go to the services. Here, double click on the school admin server. Stop the service. Click on OK. And now search for the MySQL server. Double click on the MySQL. Click on the stop to stop the service and then click on OK. Now both the services are stopped. Now go to the D drive where we have taken the backup. Now I am going to show how to deploy the WAR file and the extracted WAR file. Here in the D drive, copy the WAR file and the extracted WAR file which we have taken the backup. Copy the both. Go to the software folder where you want to deploy. Go to the C drive. In program file x86, in the school admin, click on the Tomcat and go to the web apps. Here we need to deploy the WAR file and the extracted WAR file. The school admin WAR file and the extracted WAR file are the blank database. When we install the licensed school admin community edition software, we will receive these application. Delete these application if it's not needed. Now we will replace the data folder. Go to the D drive where we have taken the backup and copy the data folder and paste it into the school admin folder. In the program file x86, click on the school admin. Here you have to replace the data folder. After successfully replacing the data folder and deploying the WAR file and the extracted WAR file, start the services, both SchoolAdmin service and the MySQL. Now go to the browser and simply reload the page. If your deployed WAR file name is different, according to the WAR file name in the URL we give the name. Here I have deployed the WAR file name as the school. Now I am changing the SchoolAdmin to the school. Now click on enter. Here you can see that the software opens with the old data. You can see the school name and the logo and all other details which we have added in that WAR file data folder and in extracted WAR file which we have taken a backup and reinstalled the software and deployed the WAR file and the extracted WAR file and the data folder. Now log in into the software by adding the username and password. Click on login. After logging in, here you can see all the old data which we have added in the previous database. You can see the class, students. You will see the student details in the student information module by clicking on student menu. Here you can see the class, section. You will see the student of 8th standard, A section students. Click on find. Here in the student master table you can see the student details. You will see for the another class for 9th standard A section students. Click on find. Here you can see the students in the student master table of the 9th standard A section. Now we will go to the student report module. We will see the student reports by clicking on the student report menu. Here select the class, section and then click on preview. After clicking on preview, we can see the student details of 8th standard A section. If you want to see your student details in the PDF, click on the PDF. Here you can see the student details in the PDF. Now we will see the fee payment details. For that, go to the Admin Master module, click on the fee payment details. Here select the class, section and then click on find. Here in the fee payment detail master table you can see the fee payment details. If you want to see your fee due details, then click on the fee due details menu. Here select the fee group type and the fee group and select the class, section and then click on find. In the fee due details master table you can see the fee due details of the 8th standard A section. So you don't need to re-enter the details again. Here you can see in the settings, go to the options and click on the settings. Here you can see the details which we are imported from the previous database. By this you will come to know how to take a data backup and reinstall the SchoolAdmin Community Edition software. Thank you for watching this video.